Did you invite him to your birthday party last night?
Yes, I did, and we had a great time.
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Of course, here it is.
Didn't she lend you the book?
No, she didn't, because she needed to finish reading it.
Will you tell them the truth about the situation?
Yes, I will tell them the truth, and I hope they understand me.
Did you see him yesterday?
Yes. He was dressed like a clown, but I could recognize him.
Do you know them?
Yes, I do. They are my friends.
Could you teach me how to play the guitar?
Absolutely, it will be a pleasure to teach you.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes, I would, but I am very busy with work.
Does she like him?
Yes, she does. She loves him.
Will they hire her?
No, they won't, because she doesn't have the necessary qualifications.
Would you buy it?
Yes, I would. If I had enough money.
Doesn't he want to walk with us?
I don't know. I will ask him.
Didn't you talk to them about it?
No, I didn't, but I will talk to them today.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.